Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon cakes out of canned salmon. Drain the can, remove skin and bones, then flake with a fork. Combine salmon with 1 beaten egg, 1 cup breadcrumbs, chopped onion, lemon zest, 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. Form into patties, chill 15 minutes, then cook in a hot skillet with oil for about 3 minutes per side until golden and crisp. Layer flavors by adding fresh herbs like dill or parsley, and a spoon of Dijon mustard or hot sauce for a mild kick. Fold in minced celery or bell pepper for crunch, and try panko or crushed crackers instead of plain crumbs to alter texture. For a lighter version, bake the patties on a sheet at moderate heat until firm and golden, turning once to ensure even coloring and a flaky interior. Get a great crust by preheating the skillet and using a thin layer of oil so the patties sear instead of steaming. Press each patty gently when you place it in the pan to ensure even contact and browning. Cook on medium heat and flip only once when the edge firms up, about 3 minutes per side, so the interior stays moist but fully heated and the cakes hold their shape when plated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.